Hey YouTube, Roy MarKo with MarKo Custom Models, coming to you today with a kit review on the 1978 Dodge by Round 2 models in MPC Longbox Fleetside. Here's the box here, 1/25th scale, and you can see all the sides there. It also comes with a little mini bike. Alright, so I have other kits here just to show kind of what the some of the releases that are very similar in these trucks. One of the most that's been released has been the Little Red Expresses. Come out a few times. The 75 is a different year, and then this was like a monster truck inside that there. But today we're focusing on the 78 by MPC. In round 2, so I already sliced open the wrapper. I'm just going to open it up and get what's inside here. So first off, we have our cab and box and chassis here. I'll just open that up here, and looks like to be a pretty nice crisp casting of it. Inside of the box, pretty nice. Cab is pretty nice and crisp, good casting, also nice and straight, so that's good. Chassis, top side, bottom side, fuel tanks molded in, all your suspension glues on. Okay. One of the bags here we have got this little mini bike. It's all on one tree. You have 2 wheels, both halves of the chassis and engine, and then the front forks and handlebars, and the other side as well. Okay, that's pretty neat. It's a kit all in itself. And you have the stock wheels that they provide. Okay. Got the dashboard here. Fairly nice detail on that. It's got some emblems and stuff for the gauges that will pick off if you were to do a wash on it. It'll come out pretty nice. Inside of the tailgate, and this is the lower valence for below the grill. Got the 2 vent holes in it here. Okay. We've got the tailgate itself, outside of it. Again, nice and smooth, nice casting. And we have some pieces like there's a floor jack here, what appears to be a front drive shaft for the 4x4 version that doesn't come with this, and then the cross members. Okay. And a few pieces, CB antenna, and probably a piece for a roll bar. I'm not sure if it comes with that in the kit. We got nice white wall tires, so you could run a black wall on the other side if you want. The metal axles, those are pretty nice. I'll cut them open here so you can see inside. Pretty nice tread detail on it. These are like the Goodyears that used to come. They even say, do they have any printing on it here? Yeah, they even say Goodyear on them. So they even have the word Goodyear embossed in it, so that's pretty nice tires. Okay. Another bag here. Okay, we have an interior tub. We got the seat, nice detail there. Some seat belts, gas pedal. Got some axles here. The rear axle, I should say, leaf springs. Front suspension for 2-wheel drive. Cylinder heads. Got the engine block, the intake manifold, And this looks like a big block in the truck, the kit. Got your firewall and exhaust, rad support, cross member goes in the frame. Got your steering wheel, battery, radiator, a toolbox, spare tire assembly, and a transfer case, which is good because we could always modify this into a 4x4 even though it doesn't come with all the pieces. It comes with a couple of cross members, so they might have the cross member for the 4x4 stuff. We got a molded hood. This is known as a bird bath hood to Dodge truck owners. Okay, nice detail on both sides. No nothing for cutouts and things like that. A little bit of a sink here to fix, but nothing too crazy. And of course, 4 wheel backs. It's pretty good. All right. We also have the glass, windshield, and rear window molded in one. You can just set that up in the cab. You have some lights here and tail lights. I'm going to leave those in the bag just because I don't want to get them all scratched up. So let's put that aside. We have our chrome. Let's open up the chrome bag here. Alright, you have a beautiful grill. 78 grill with the corner markers here. Word Dodge on the top. It's nice and crisp. Got these rally wheels. These are the same rally wheels that come in the Little Red Express kit as well. Front and rear bumper. You got the taillight housings, surrounds for the taillights that go in the box. Okay, and you got some mirror options, valve covers, fan, alternator. Looks like you get 2 carburetors and air cleaner, some pieces. So anyway, that's the tree there. Okay, and then you also get wrapped up in it all is this little bag. Oh, look at that! You got the hubcaps. I'm not sure, these must be similar to the ones that come in the MarKo police car. You can see those on camera. Okay. One of the things you get in these nice round 2 models here are these beautiful decal sheets. Okay. All kinds of fun decals you can use on the doors, or you can use these on other kits and things like that. So, nice motorcycle decals. Lots of license plate options too, which are nice. Word Dodge for the tailgate. Different color options. I'll give you 6 different color options for the word lettering on the tailgate. That's nice. You get some MPC decals, which are nice. Very cool. That's a decal sheet there. Okay, now that we got this kit unboxed and looked at, I want to talk about a couple of things that kind of bothered me about this model that I was anticipating, and they botched it up. So one of the things is these wheels. I was looking forward to the truck coming with some stock steel wheels, and they give you these 4 pieces of plastic that are absolutely useless. They don't look like a wheel. They are done wrong. And it's hard to see on camera here, so I took some pictures. And I also went ahead and took some Tamiya wash and just went ahead and put a wash on the wheel, so hopefully you can see what the problem is here. They have these little parts where the wheel's supposed to have a hole and they stick up. They have no detail on the rim for the hubcap where it would clap onto the rim. And I mean, if you glue the hubcap on, it doesn't matter, right? And they don't have proper centers for like front hubs and the rear wheel axles. And even if you cover up the center of the wheel, these parts right here that you see, they're sticking out and they're not supposed to be doing that. One thing that you might think, okay, don't worry, it comes with another set of wheels. Well, they got that wrong too. Check this out. So here's a picture of the wheels in the Little Red Express kits, the same ones. And then you come to these ones, and if you can see it here, we got these wheels all have a concave dish. Okay, they give you one wheel that has an outward dish in it. They purposely, I don't know what they did with the mold or whatever, and this isn't just a mistake because I bought 2 of these kits and both of them are done this way. So this isn't like a mold release mistake. These wheels are, you get 3 that match and 1 is deformed. And so now you have a model kit. If you're fussy like me, you don't have a set of wheels for it. Now thankfully I can be resourceful and put other wheels in it, but anyway, big disappointment from round 2, and I wanted to bring it up. So if you buy one of these kits, don't expect to be able to use the wheels that come in it. That's the only thing. Another thing that would have been nice is if they would have put the 4x4 stuff in there, so like the front diff, so that you could build it either way. Like this 75 kit. This is an older release, and you can build it as a 2-wheel drive pickup, a modified pickup, or as a 4x4. So that's one of the things that I wanted to point out. These this older kit's pretty nice. You get the side detail, and I understand that they don't have to release it that way. They don't have to release it with a 75 grill, even though the 78's been released so many times. Then the other thing, on the inside of the box here, it doesn't have any sort of blemishing, so this is very hard to sand out any sort of blemishes in here. And then they went ahead and took out some holes in the bottom of the box on their mold. So you see these 2 holes here, guide holes or something. Well, they took them out, and in doing so, you now have 2 sinks in the box that are very hard to kind of get out. You're gonna have to fight and sand in there if you want the box to look nice. So anyway, that's the negatives about the kit. The wheels were the biggest disappointment out of the entire thing. The fact that you know, and I know they're capable of making wheels because they released the Dodge police car kit, this one here, the 78 Dodge Monaco, and I bought it to find, I have 4 or 5 of those kits. I didn't need to buy the new release, but I bought it just to find out what kind of wheels they have. And so here's what they put in that kit, because they revised the wheels from those awesome deep dish wheels that they come with, but I understand they don't look like a police car. They released it, and they got these wheels right. This is perfect. To me, a black wash on there just to show you. You can see the detail coming out, and you can see that there's holes or indentations where the rim goes in there, and you have the holes, and then you have nice wheel nut detail as well as the 3 points where the hubcap would snap on. So if you didn't put the hubcap on this, you'd have a nice steel wheel. This is what should have come in the truck kit as well, and it's just big disappointment. But I also noticed that on these wheels, they got the front and the rear wheels, and they gave you a slightly different offset. Like the front wheel isn't as deep as the rear wheel, and that's another disappointment, because now to do this right, you got to buy 2 kits to get the right depth of wheel all the way around on the car. I don't know. I just, as a guy who's likes to do accurate builds, this is disappointing. But anyway, if you want a nice set of wheels to put on this truck, you got to buy another model kit, and that's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and cast myself these, so hopefully I have enough for the trucks and the police car, and I'm going to have to do them all in the same width. So anyway, that's my review on the 1978 Dodge Pickup by MPC Round 2. Beautiful kit. Be nice to see how people build them up. I'll probably do a build up on this kit sometime in the future. I don't have plans to start on it right away, but I just wanted to point out some of the good things and some of the bad things. Anyway, if you like these videos, please subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.